SafeVent Pro is marketed as a simple vacuum attachment that helps clean dryer vents by removing lint buildup. According to the site, it uses an ultra-flexible hose that can reach deep into dryer vents, navigate tight bends, and pull out years of hidden lint in just about 10 minutes. They also claim it fits almost every vacuum, including popular brands like Dyson, Shark, and Shop-Vac, and that it can help prevent costly dryer fires and save you from paying over $100 for professional cleaning. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now let's talk about the red flags people should be aware of before trusting the SafeVent Pro claims. One of the first things that stands out is the website itself. The domain was registered very recently, in November 2025, which is a bit concerning for a brand that presents itself as trusted, established, and even award-winning. When a website is brand new but claims widespread trust and recognition, it's always worth slowing down and double-checking everything carefully. Another issue is the way SafeVent Pro markets its results. The website strongly suggests that this tool can help prevent house fires in just 10 minutes. While cleaning lint from dryer vents is definitely important for safety, no single product can realistically guarantee fire prevention in such a short time. House fire risk depends on many factors, including dryer condition, installation, airflow, and regular maintenance. Claims like this can easily mislead buyers into thinking they're fully protected just by using one tool once. When you look deeper into the terms and services, more concerns start to appear. The company openly states that it does not guarantee product quality, results, accuracy, or uninterrupted service. This means that if the product doesn't work as advertised, buyers may have very limited protection. What's more concerning is that the website later includes a disclaimer saying there is no guarantee of fire prevention at all, which directly contradicts the bold headline claims used to sell the product. This kind of conflicting messaging is a major red flag because marketing promises should always match the fine print. Transparency is another weak point. The website only provides an email address for contact and does not list a phone number or physical business address. Legitimate companies usually offer multiple ways to reach them, especially when selling home safety-related products. Limited contact information can make it difficult for customers to get help, request refunds, or resolve issues if something goes wrong. The website also displays logos suggesting awards and Forbes-vetted recognition, but there is no verifiable proof or links confirming these claims. Using well-known brand logos without evidence is a common tactic used to build instant trust, even when that trust may not be earned. Pricing is another area that raises questions. Similar dryer vent attachments can be found on wholesale platforms like Alibaba for as little as a couple of dollars, while SafeVent Pro is sold for nearly $30. This large price gap suggests the product may be a drop-shipped item with heavy markup rather than a unique premium invention. Finally, there's the issue of reviews. On the official website, you'll see glowing 5-star reviews praising the product, but there are no independent reviews on trusted platforms to support these claims. When all positive feedback exists only on the seller's own website, it becomes difficult to verify whether those reviews are genuine. So overall, while cleaning your dryer vent is definitely important, SafeVent Pro shows several warning signs that buyers should carefully consider. Always research thoroughly, read the fine print, and compare alternatives before making a purchase, especially when safety claims are involved.